Okay, good evening po sa lahat po. This is your basketball fans. This is your PSBQ Basketball League Weekly Night Basketball Action. Tuesday Night Basketball po tayo ngayon. Between two teams. One is Alforno, Italian Masters, clad in blue, all blue combination, versus Technicolor po sila. Pero ang Jordan White po is QSSW Apparel Masters. Yan po yung Uniform Masters po yan. First game for tonight po tayo ngayon. Basketball action sa ating second year na po tayo ng ating PSBQ Basketball League. Maraming salamat po. And first quarter will about to start right now. Okay, yung ano nyo, mag-ano kayo ng video. 43 minutes na lang. Ito na, Rote and Lance or Dante. Nice. Okay, Alforno ball. Ball pa Alforno kagad. Ang binanatan, point 4. Number 3. Pops up. No good. Rebound to Bautista. Bautista. Binababa ang bola. Bautista. Pupunti ko kagad si Rote. And one play kagad. Ang binanatan si Rote. Rote, number 10. And one play binigay kagad sa kanya. +1 free throw. The score right is 2-0 QSSW leading the charge. Basket weight na completed po. Ashkan number 24. Pinapatay ni Bautista. Ashkan pops up. No good. Rebound. Battle won by Dante. Again, pops up for 3. Bangs in it. 3 points. Number 24. Ashkan, number 24, 3 points. Akshan, rather. Padayaw for 2. Yes, sir. 2 points, Padayaw, 2 points lang na binati ni Padayaw. Yung kanilang skipper po ng QSSW. At outside. Akshay. Nagkapin mapasahan. Pops number 3 again. No good. Rebound by JT. To number 94, Gratil, and no good.
There's a foul. There's number 24.
Number 24 called for the foul. 94, Gratil shooting for 2. Pops up. It's in. Second shot, jumpers ready para kay Mr. Gratil.
Second throw,
Gratil, second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. No good. Number 8, 24. Silicumar, 24. Oy, wala pinasahan. Not ready. Again, palit po sa QXCW na bola po. Supplementation po dito tayo na Padayaw. Rote, pinapatayan. Rote, power move. No good. Rebound. Battle won by Rote again. Fusion pass. Kay Padayaw. Di ba nasulit ni Padayaw? JP. Jibing. Fusion pass kay Katin. No good. Rebound by Namin. Now kay Dante. Traffic. Akshay. Number 9, 2 points, number 9. Number 9, 2 points. Number 9, 2 points. That score is 6-5. Now, Bautista binabatayan. Rote again. Rote. Nahirapan. Rebound para by number 8. Akshay. Number 24. Akshay, number 24. Number 24 now. Onwin. No good. Rebound battle. And same ball. Nope. It's white ball. Touch last by Dante. 7 minutes 33 remaining. Bautista pops up. Nope. Ayaw niya. Rock play pala. 2 points. Nice shot by Bautista. No? 8-5 points score for natin. Silicumar again. Or Akshay. Number 24. Gourmet. Italian Manchester still training by 1 by 2, 3 points. Akshay again. King 3. No, it's driving. Number 9. Matas. Shine. Dante for 3. No good. JP Cristobal. JP. Bautista. Bautista. Top of the three. No good. Rebound by Dante. Number 9. Number 8 again. Number 8 Alforno. Umatake Alforno yun. Gratil. Gratil. Nahirapan. Pero kinuha pa rin na 2 points Gratil. Nice steal by Gratil. Completed also by Gratil. Akshay. Dante fumbled. Nice play sana, pero yun po. Again, Bautista. Take 6 minutes 14 remaining. First quarter action. Foul called. Foul on Akshay.
Number 24.
Number 24, Akshay or Sri Kumar. Sri Kumar, Alforno called for the foul. Rote again. Rote, binabantayan. Rote, take his space. Yes, sir. Nice. Kay Rote. Akshay again or Sri Kumar. Mr. Kumar, Sri Kumar. Dante, pops up. Yes, sir. 2 points, Dante. Dante, 2 points, 1-7 naman po na 5 ang QHSW Apparel Masters.
Bautista.
And now, Patayaw. Patayaw, Gratil, pops up. Malakas. 5 ni JT. 2 points, Cristobal. Okay, 24. Dante hindi ng bola. On win. On den. Dante. On den. No good. Nice rebound. Palpali Cristobal. JP. Bothered. Foul. Foul called by Gratil. Palit po tayo. Palit tayo na po tayo ngayon, mga boss. 14-7 ang score po natin between the Uniform Masters and the Italian Masters. Now, second lineup. Ayan na si Mansueto, Eliang. Number 18, number 7, at si number 15. Kabila naman, Dante will stay but 26, 4, 30, and number 0. Sa kabila naman, hello ma'am, thank you po, maraming salamat po. Yan po ang ating area manager po ng Maharlika Cargo. Present po ngayon, maraming salamat for gracing your attention here in your little league po. Tack in po tayo, please, tack in po tayo. Maraming salamat po. Yung camera? Ito, Night Niyat, no good. White ball. Thank you. Hook up ka tayo for trading. Sabi naman mag-vlog di Manang. Okay, balik po tayo sa puti. Tag-sit. Oh, supa. Okay na? Supa po. Ayan. Ayan na. Okay, ito lang po tayo yun. Ned, number Mendoza, number 18. Number 18 Mendoza, pops number 3. Short. Dante. Ay. Fumble again. 4 minutes remaining. Laman po ng pito ang sublimation. Iowa na isa sublimation. 4 minutes remaining. Pag-sit. Oy! Lifting violation, sabi ng referee. Lifting violation, pag-sit. Balik po po sa blue ang bola. Alforno again on the attack. Number 0. Niyat. Number 0. Abinay. Nako ng pick. Pops number 2. No good. Dante! Wala sana. Sayang. Nice shot by Dante. Number 78, Dante Mansueto called for the foul. Dante shooting for 2.
Second team foul, USW.
Dante shooting for 2. First shot ni Dante. Pops up. It's in. Second shot, jumpers ready. Dante, second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. No good. Rebound para by Dante. Dante driving. Nope, ayaw niya. Abinay, 26. 26. Ready space. Harsham. Harsham. Malakas. Lamang ng 6 pa rin po ang QSSW. Nakuha. Nice steal. Ito na siya. 0. Counter steal. Nice try by Ilyang. Niyat for 3. Tapos. Nakuha muli. Good goal. And backseat. 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 Lost the ball. Blue ball. Bola po ng Italian Masters. Italian Masters. Ball muli po tayo. Alfonso leading again the charge. 3 minutes 4 remaining. And Harsha. Harsha. Nation pass. Pops up kay Dante. Isa pa. Dante. Harsha. Palpal. Pero may foul.
Who's ball left?
Who's foul rep? Who's foul rep?
All this number 8 Mansueto.
Again, Mansueto called for a foul. Second personal foul.
Team foul.
Tayyip.
Division 3.
Tayyip shooting for 2. Number 26 po yan, si Tayyip. Tayyip, number 26, shooting for 2. Pops up. No good. Second free throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Yes, sir. Second shot, good po. Baksit. No, it's Mansueto. Mansueto, binabantayan. Mansueto. Ready space, pops up, malakas. Rebound ni Dante. Baseball pass. Pass. Intercepted. Almost may bagsit. Bagsit. Touchdown may bagsit. Still, bola pa rin po ng Alforno. Niyat. Niyat again bagsit. Bubukan ng pick. Pops up for 3. No good. Dante. No good. And white ball. The ball says it's white. White ball. Bagsit. Solian. 2 points, Solian. Suliman, 2 points. 16-9. Harsha. Number 0. Abinad. Pops up. Yes, sir. 3 points. 3 points. Abinad. 16-12. Lamang po ng 4 na lang ang Qatar Sublimation Masters. Pero nagkamali po ng pasa. Walang kumupo ng pasa doon. Kaya balik muli po sa Alforno ang bola. Bola po na Alforno po tayo yun. Niyata for 3. Bam! Back-to-back free throw. 3 points po. Binata pa ng Alforno. And again, time out now. Qatar Sublimation Sportswear. Or let's say the Apparel Masters po. Clad in white gold for the timeout. This game is brought to you by wala nga aking slides. This game is brought to you by the following sponsors: McDonald's Qatar, Qatar Submarine Sportswear, Marlaga Cargo, Channels Committee, Hook Up Apparel, Luxury by Shanti, and of course, Sinag Asia Media, and many more. Okay, back to the ball game po tayo. Bola po ng USSW. A 1 point din po kanina po. Alos umalago na po kanina po ang USSW. Pero biglang ito na po tayo. Isa na lang ang kanilang kalamangan. Baksit. Suliman, 2 points. Nakawala. Ito na. Nakawala. Liat, 26. 26. Kumuha na papasahan. Number 4. Number 4. Number 4. Pampo. Number 4. 20. Stepping on the line. Stepping on the line. Stepping on the line po tayo. Stepping on the line. Ilyang. Mag-sit. 46 seconds remaining. Suliman. Suliman, nag-starte. 2 points. Okay, nakabawi sila ngayon. Stepping on the line again. Ha? Okay. Muli pala. Bumalik. Alfornable tayo.
Number 7.
50. Hey! Basket count! Harsha and one play. Number 30. Number 15. Again, Harsha for a bonus free throw. Pops up. No good. Ilya nakaribang. Ito si Mr. Bagsit. Ang bagsik na bagsit. Nandiyan na naman. Mendoza. Rebound by Dante. Dante. Ay, malakas ang pasa. Sayang. At that concludes now our first quarter of the ball game.
What a game!
Wala. Okay, standby po tayo po sa second quarter action. Sabi ko naman, miss. Miss na lang, miss. Okay, back to the ball game po tayo. Back to the ball game. Again, second quarter action. 20-17 score po natin. Okay, sino po ngayon? Nandiyan na si Sabado. Number 73. 13. 11 at si number 8. Nakabila naman po sa Bono 0, 24, 8, 9 and number 3. Inupo muna po si Dante. Alvis. Pops up. Yes, Yuri. 3 points. Number 18, 3 points. Number 13, 3 points kagad. Ang pinakulang po nila, Akshay. Number 0, pops number 3 again. Nope. Rebound. Ayan na. Alvis, intercepted. Intercepted again. Antonio. Sabado. Alvis. 2 points, Alvis. Alvis, 2 points. Number 24, 25-17, naman nanon yung 8 po ang Qatar Sublimation. Number 8, Nolok Silid. Wala. Baba. Number 73, Alvis called for the foul. First person pala po yan. And entro po tayo, Akshay or Sri Kumar po for the inbound. Number 8, number 3, number 3 binabantayan. Number 24, intercepted again. Number 23, Sabado. I love you Sabado kahit hindi na linggo. Okay, Akshay, number 0. Akshay again. Intercepted almost by Antonio. Alforno ball. Number 3 again for the inbound. Number 9. Lost the ball again. Nice defense by QXW, shutting them down.
Ateno.
10-0 run already been posted by QXW. Number 3, Kapos. Sabado.
Sabado naman.
Akshay. Akshay! Intercepted again. Okay. Sabado. Good ball. Walang tawag. Intercepted almost by Antonio. Still same ball po tayo. Niyat for the inbound. Number 0 for the inbound po. And now number 3. Again to number 0 to ni Mr. Niyat. And number 9. Foul again by Adriano. 2 shots given by Altaf.
Second personal foul.
To Altaf given. Number 9. Shooting for 2. Pops up. It's out. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Second throw. No good. Rebound by Sabado. Sa Rotarado number 11. Alves binababa ang bola. Alves. Foul.
Foul is number 8 for team. First personal foul. First team foul.
Okay, balik po rin po tayo. At ang celebrations of Alves. Sabado. Intercepted. Almost had the ball. No good. Walang po gumawa. Antonio, Disho pass. Bothered by Alves. No good still. Foul. Elbow. Okay. Who's for rep?
Jersey number 24.
Number 24. Third personal po ni PC Kumar po yan. Inbounding po si number 8 po ng Qatar Sublimation. Antonio being bothered by number 3. Number 3. Adriano. Jason pass. Nice one. Binato na lang. Rebound by number 8. Number 24 again. Kick pass now to number 0. Number 24 for 3. No good. Agos na. Alves again. Binababa ni bola Alves po na. Number 9, number 13. To Alves again. Alves. Sarota. Palpal. Nice block. Wow.
August number 29,
Sabado called for a foul. 6 minutes 11 remaining. Laman po ng 10 ang Qatar Sublimation. The uniform masters or the apparel masters. Uniform masters po yan. Katamgal naman po sila. Akshay, number 0. Power move. No good still. Rebound by number 13. Antonio, Sabado. And 2 po. Ay, niluwa ang bola. Nawala ang bola. Ay, Sarota called for a foul. Nice foul. Sabi rito ni Amir Ashraf, go. Sabi na po rin Engima, shout out bossing Sabado number 29. Okay, medyo muna nagkaroon po ng konting scuffle po doon, pinagmimitingan po nila. What is the call of the referee?
Wow,
Jersey number 11 called for a foul. Normal foul lang po yan. 2 shots given. Warning for penalty po. Jane shooting for 2. First shot. Second shot, jumpers ready. Second free throw jumper. We're approaching to the 5-minute mark of the second quarter of the first game pa lang po tayo. Jane, second throw. Both basket made.
1927.
1927 lamang tanong pa rin po ng 8 ang Team Qatar Sublimation. Alpis. Number 8, power move. No good. Rebound battle. 1 by Sarota. Sabado again. 2 points Sabado. I love you Sabado. Pati na rin linggo. Ito na po tayo Sabado. Naka 2 points siya ngayon. Akshay. Akshay. Nice. Dito pass by number 3. Number 9. Pops up. Malakas. 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 Carpenter. Sarota. 2 points. 2 points. 5-minute mark. Change play muli po tayo yun. This time now, nice quality minutes po na ginawa po ng team ng safety nila Carbonell, nila Alves. Now, balik muli po tayo. Alforno po. 2017, number 4, number 16, number 26, and number 30. Sa kabila naman, of course, si Rota nandiyan din. Si Mr. Cristobal. Si Gratil. Si Bautista at si Padayaw. Ito na. Ito na po tayo yun. Number 4. Binababa ang bola. 26. Number 4. Pops number 3. Nope. Okay, Padayaw. Binabantay number 15. Binaba na. Baba na lang daw sabi. Baba ka na lang. And now si Bautista. Si Mr. JP. Pops number 3. No good. Rota. Palpal! Dante. Nagmamadali si Dante. Nice one! 2 points again. Dante, 2 points from Mr. 30. And now, Bautista. JP. Rota. Rote. Hoop shot. Malakas. Ricky! 2 points Ricky! Ricky pa nandiyan pa si Ricky pala. Ricky 2 points. Intercepted! Huwag kang magdadag! Wag! Time out called by Qatar Sublimation. The score right now is 31-25. Tignan natin kung panggising yung dakdak na yan ni Dante para sa Italian Masters. Wag ano. Wag po sana. Pagkasira po yan. Tapos ang kabuhayan po namin dito. Na ano siya. Okay, back to the ball game muli po tayo. Ha? 99 pa naman, okay na. Oh. Nice duck by Ricky. Gratil, binabantay number 4. Gratil, foul! And 1 play foul! Ano sabi ng referee? They give me the continuation? Yes, they give me the continuation.
Who's ball rep?
Who's ball rep?
And
1 play nga talaga. Bonus free throw coming up. Gratil, number 94.
Ball is number 4.
Number 4, Abhinav called for a foul. And again, basket made no kay Mr. Gratil.
Ricky, basket seeking.
Abhinav. 26. Abhinav again. Ricky. No good. No, doesn't get a bounce from Ricky. Go Alforno, sabi ng Arab ng hindi ko maintindihan. Pero still, go Alforno po yan. Sabi ng Njima, Saroko, Sabado, Carbonell, etc. Go. Rota. Binasa muna kay Gratil. No good. Ricky, pinapanatan. Ricky. Tinawid ang bola. Dante, malakas ang pasa. 34-25, laman po na siya. Muli po ang QSSW Uniform Masters. Or Apparel Masters, pwede rin. M. Bautista. Gratil. Padayaw. Kaya against Ricky. Padayaw. Padayaw. Palpal. Palpal. 30 seconds remaining. 30 seconds to shoot. Padayaw against Ricky again. Padayaw. Banging bodies. Palpal na naman. Malakas ang pasa. Malakas ang pasa. Again, too much power. Hina ng konti lang. Too much power kasi, too much power. Okay, balik muli po tayo. Bautista. Intercepted almost. Gratil against number 26. Gratil. Gratil, power move. Nakuha ang bola. Ito na naman siya. Lost the ball. White ball. USSW ball. White ball po tayo. White ball. 34-20 na 5 still. Laman pa rin siya ang USSW. Pops up. Bang! 3 points. Okay, lamang limuli po ng 12 ang Gata Sublimation out from the 3 points po ni Gratil. Alam na sino champion yung season. Ricky Capos. Alam na kung sino yung champion season. Sabi ron na. Go Alporno. Go Alporno. Dante. Traveling violation po. Traveling violation po by Dante. Bautista again to Gratil. Siya na pa nagpamando ngayon. Siya na in charge po ngayon ng ball possession. Gratil. 2 points Gratil. Gratil 2 points. Humble 4. 51 seconds remaining. Alfonso still. Ayan na. Dante jumper shot. 2 points. And nakuha. Almost. Ayaw mo na, wag mo na raw. Pops up for 2. No good. Number 30, pinababa mo ng bola. Number 30. Number 4, pops up for 3. Bang! Nabubuhay, hindi nabubuhay. Never na go to last shot po. Last shot. Gratil against number 4. Gratil, number 4. Pops up, look. And kay JP. Wala na. Tapos ang bola. Sabi ni Rep Chris, shoutout watching from Pinas. Hehehe. Sarap ng piton ngayon ay may import daw, sabi niya. Hindi, idol. Go, Ray Parks. Saroka. Buong team yan. Boss!
Shoutout, Refresh. Shoutout sa'yo.
Refresh, shoutout.
Okay naman. Oh.
Refresh, shoutout.
Yun.
Ano sabi? Yan. Rep Chris. Yun o, boss. Hans Victor. Boss Richard. At Kong Aison. Yan. Pambira, ano, parang reinforced division ito. Reinforced. Difference. Oh, maraming ulang, malalim ang model ko. Highlights daw dyan, sabi. And shoutout from Nepal, si Jelo Bondok.
Before we start the second round, I just want to announce in the words to our awkward shootout with Mr. Mendoza. Who is about 200 plus guys. Congratulations, Mr. Mendoza.
Wag! No!
Once again, congratulations, Mr. Mendoza. Our Pangasinan team. That's the way for the third quarter.
Okay, back to the ballgame muli po tayo for the third quarter basketball action. Magandang gabi po sa inyo pula. Ako po si Abin G. Vlog si you. You're watching right now Game Night tonight. PSBQ Basketball League po. Live po tayo ulit po sa Furling Season International School in Doha. Magkape muna po kayo kaya inantok. Para di pa kayo antukin na. Nagtinom muna po tayo ng mainit na kape. Sarap. Good morning, good evening, good night po sa ating pulat dyan. The score right now is 39-30. Lamang pa rin po ng 9 ang QSSW I1 Nation. The White Boys is still lamang. This game is brought to you by sponsors, of course, ang ating main sponsors, McDonald's Qatar, Marlica Cargo, Janus Cometio, Buka Paparel, and Sinag Media. 2 points now by Mr. Dante. 2 points opening now the third quarter matchup. Baksit. Nawala ang bola. Balik. Baksit. Nakuha.
9 seconds shot clock.
9 seconds. 9 seconds remaining. Gratil na yun, nagmamapasan. Patayaw, wala. And same ball. Okay, Gratil still. Umaarma si Gratil. Sabado, naipit, 2 points. Akshay. Abhinav. Akshay. Dante. Palpal. Ayun si Ricky. Dante. Ricky. One more time. Pow! Gumagana na ang Twin Tower combination po ng Alporno Italian Masters. They opt now for the Twin Tower combination.
First personal foul. First free foul.
Ricky, first shot. It's in.
First shot by Ricky.
Second shot, Ricky. Wala man po ng 8 ang QSSW. The White
Second
Boy.
foul, Ricky Yagesa.
Ricky, second shot, pops up. Yes, sir. Both basket mates by Mr. Ricky. Again, baksit. May tangan ng bola. Bagsit. Pinapatayan. Rote. Patayaw. Naipit. Nawala ang bola kay Patayaw. Akshaya. Wala pa rin. Nakuha. Dante Cove. Rote Cove for the foul. Dante for sure shooting for 2. 4-1, 34. 8 minutes, 20 minutes remaining. Third quarter action. Number 78, Dante pops up.
First
It's
shot
out.
by Ricky.
Second shot, jumpers ready para sa Alfor, para sa Qatar Sublimation. For both teams po in Alforno. Second shot, Dante. It's in. Shout out sa mga officiators ng Liga. Outstanding. Thank you very much po. Maraming salamat. Baksit. Sabi po ito na EUANYGMA. Enigma. Gratil. Papsak. Ayun. Palpal! Oy! lang po ang padding. Maraming salamat po. Again, Gratil, 41-35. Anim na po kalamangan na lang ng UNSW. Alforno, Italian Mafia still training behind. Gratil. Oy! Offensive foul, Gratil.
Offensive foul. This is number 94 is Gratil.
Gratil called for offensive foul. Again, number 24. Number 24. Akshaya, Dante, pops up, top of the key. No good. Rebound by Ricky. Iyak naman, tumama na 3. Don't look now. Again, at striking distance. Tatlo na lang kalamangan. Rote against Dante. Dante, Rote. 2 points. 2 points, Rote. Number 24. Akshaya. Kick pass again. Number 0. Malakas. Gratil. Malakas. Sabado, 2 points. Sabado, 2 points. Again, lamang muli po ng 7. Pops up. No good. Rebound by Padayaw. Padayaw, nagmamadali. Padayaw. Palpa na naman! 2 points, Dante. Backshit, pinapantay ni Ricky. Backshit, fouled by Ricky. Backshit, foul! Called on Ricky.
This is number 15. Ricky. First team from Alforno.
Okay, Mr. Padayaw for the inbound against Ricky. Guarding Ricky, Bagsit for sure. O, iniwan na muna siya. Bababa nila si Bagsit yan. Intercepted. Completed. Abraham, 24. Pops up. Bang! Don't look now. Dalawa na lang po ang kalamangan ng USSW. It is not a joke. They're still coming back. Gratil again. Gratil. Bothered. Padayaw. Kick basket. Bagsit. Malakas. Rebound pero won by Alforno. 24. Oy! Offensive foul. That's number 4.
This is number 34, Sibin Kumar.
Offensive foul.
Substitution.
Substitution muna po tayo. Substitution. Akshay, number 24, 4 personal fouls. Warning for graduate. Number 3 for Akshay. Bagsit. Gratil. Ingay mo. Ha ha ha. O, sige. Sige na. Rote. Hoop shot. 2 points. Nice shot by Rote. A hoop shot been made by Rote. Lamang nila po ng 4 muli po ang team USSW for 3. Bang! 3 points. Number 0 called for the 3. Merong bumibirada na. The sniper number 0. Gratil. Hoy! Foul called. Foul on number 3. Blocking foul called on number 3. Iba talaga ang malaki, sabi ni Enigma. Okay, Padayaw, quality miss kay Padayaw. Labas muna para Inyang. Gratil, binabantayan muli ni number 3. Backsit against number 0. Gratil, number 3. Foul! Offensive foul!
Offensive foul, Luigi Gratil.
Gratil called for offensive foul. Balik muli po tayo. Number 3, Alforno. Gatil, pangatlo na Gatil po yan. Number 4. Ayun! 2 points. Okay, change paper po tayo. Laman na po ng Alforno ng isa. Italian Masters now leading by 1. Italian Masters leading by 1. Bagsit. Bagsit. Gatil. Bagsit. Malakas. Rebound by Dante. Abhinav. Number 0. For 3 again. Bang! Magkapote po tayo mga kababayan ko. Umuulan po ng 3 sa gabing ito. USSW Iowa Nation call now for the timeout. A 4-point lead being posted up by Alforno Italian Masters. At 3 minutes 59 seconds remaining of the third quarter action. We'll be back, and before that, a word from our sponsors. Okay, back to the ball game ulit po tayo. Back to the ball game. Ito talaga malaki. Malaki talaga. Napakalaki nila. Back to the ball game ulit po tayo mga boss, mga madam. Qatar sublimation ball po tayo. Gatil, inbounding. Bagsit, setting up the pace. Number 0, binabantayan. Bagsit for 3. No good. Rebound battle won by Blue Boys. And honorable. Number 4, driving strong. Jay, number 3. Ricky. Nice one by number 4. Scoop Dante for 3. Tapos. Ayan na. Bagsit. Gatil, number 94. Foul! Offensive foul! Moving pick. Moving pick. It's called a moving pick. Moving pick. Number 4. Abhinav. Ay ma'am. Lumabas. 47-51. Laman ng 4 pa rin po ang Alforno Boys. Rote. Good ball. Palpal. Foul by Dante. Foul by Dante. Rote going to the line. Who's ball rep? Who's foul rep? Of course, it's Dante. Bautista, labas muna para Bagsit para sa fourth quarter. Ganda na siya. Rote shooting for 2. First shot, it's in. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up, it's in. Ayan na. Number 1. Niat. Ayun, Dante. No good. Ricky. Number 0 again. No. Rebound by number 3. Ito na yung vaulted defense po. Offense po. Ayun, silalim. Boom, silalim. Foul. Eliang called for the foul. Fail situation, USSW. Abhinav shooting for 2.
First throw by CK.
First shot, no good. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Sir Ralph, ano po, third quarter na po tayo. 2 minutes 24 remaining na lang po. Sir Ralph Lawrence Duran, Second quarter at third quarter na po tayo, sir. 2 minutes na lang po. 2 minutes na lang po. Still intercepted. Almost. Naipit ang konti. Eliang forced to chase the pass. May nagbabantay kasi kay Eliang. Ricky, batas ang pasa. And substitution muna po tayo ngayon. Rotate, pinagpeng mo para sa fourth quarter action. Pati si Albis. Pinagpentayin mo na pinagladan sa fourth quarter. May dalawang mga Emperadores. Albis. Number 11. Eliang. Finger roll. Pasok. Number 9, number 4. Abinab. Tablatos tayo. Tabla, Ricky. Number 0. Tinky 3, no. Foul.
Who's falling? Ball is number 31.
Number 31.
Second personal ball.
Niyat, number 0.
Qatar subdivision.
Number 0, first shot.
First throw by Shalil.
It's in. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready. Both baskets in. A minute and 25 remaining. Nakuha. Step away. Nakabawi.
Qatar subdivision ball. The ball.
Full court press. Albis. Eliang. Oy! Ouch.
Who's falling?
Who's foul rep? Who's foul rep? De, matibay yan. Eliang yun eh. Matibay yan.
Ball is number 0.
Eliang yun eh.
Shalil.
Pinapagpag lang yan. Eliang yun eh.
First personal ball.
Eliang, first shot. It's in. Second shot. Jumpers ready. Eliang yan. Matibay yan. Second throw. No. Nakuha. Wala pa rin. Nakuha na rin. Held ball situation. Goose ball rep. White ball. Nice hustle by Albis. Nice hustle play by Albis. Eliang, lost the ball. Almost. 2 points. Okay, lamang lipo ng KSW. Ah, wow. Sabi ng bakay. Albis, pinapatayan. Traveling violation. Traveling violation. Walk violation number 11. Chain. Number 0. Gumawa ng pick. Chain. No. Albis, nagbabantay muna. 21, 2 points. 1 seconds. 1 second remaining and no more. This is your PSBQ Basketball League. Would like to thank the following major sponsors first. Of course, nandiyan po McDonald's Qatar, Qatar Sublimation Sportswear, Marlaga Cargo, Channels Committee, Ace Kitchen, Iwan Nation, Sina Digital Media, Hookup Apparel, and many more. Of course, habang na business sa HB Kicks, from Jordan to the Bronx, nandiyan po rin po sa HB Kicks. Hookup. Meron pa ako. Papatapakan ko yun, mama. Papatapakan ko. Wala pang bayad nga. Okay, third quarter is finished now. quarter action start! Ay, nahulog! Nahulog po! Nahulog! Ha! All for the ball, Abinab na, 14 pound, number 4. Takin po tayo, takin. Thank you, sir, Takin, please, takin. Okay, fourth quarter action start, the final 10 minutes now. Shine, number 4 to number 0. Ricky, binabantayan, Ricky. Wala. Lamang muli po ng tatlong QSSW. Bagsit, binabantayan. Shoutout naman dyan sa Kome Aison. Sabi ni Enigma. 2 points. Ayan na. Si Pusong Leo. Abinab. Number 0. Nice start play made. Nice shot. Nice start play made. 58 naman po ng kontatawag po ang team USSW, the Apparel Masters. Rote. Nope. Palpal. Wala pa rin. Oy! Foul called. Number 7 called for the foul. Alvin's third version ng palpalan yan. Kamagalala. Ricky. Foul! Sa baba. Pinagpapahingas na ng mga players niya para hindi na pagdigdigan na papasok na yung mga yan. 8 minutes 47 remaining. Daniel. Ayun! 2 points. Nice dig of play by Dante. Given a chance na for para kay number 24. Nawawala ka. Oh, sesa na po. Soliman. Bagsit. Oy! Traveling violation call, sabi ng referee. Pasensya na po, sir. Traveling violation call. 24. Again. 2 points. Bakit? Lamang na naman muli ng isa. Out of bounds. Again, rebound by Ricky to number 0. Number 0, Eurostep. Rebound by Ricky, by Dante. Sadil, number 0, naku ng pick. Ayun! Top court foul! Nice play! Pasensya na po, sir. Pasensya na. Gratil, 2 points, Gratil. Lamang pa rin po na isa ang Alforno, Italian Masters. Sarota against Dante. Ricky, 2 points, Ricky, 2 points. Lamang muli na 3. 7 minutes remaining. Bagsit to Gratil. Gratil na, baka na si Gratil daw dyan. Gratil taking charge. Gratil. Banging bodies, pops up, no good. Rebound by Ricky. Niat. Intercepted. Almost intercepted. Substitution muli po tayo. Eliang labas muna para kay Padayaw. Rota pumasok na rin. Rote in also. 24. Abinab. Akshay. Crossover move. Ayun. Backward sana. Foul call. Sorry ah.
Who's foul there?
Sir Ashraf, 60-63 laman po ang Alforno.
Second personal foul.
Amir Ashraf, 60-63. Alforno leading.
Two free throw for the lead.
Gratil. First shot, Gratil.
First
And
shot.
then, second shot, Gratil. Jumpers ready. Second shot, Gratil. Jumpers ready po tayo.
Second foul, Gratil.
Pops up. No! Rebound! Palpal! Double palpal! Double palpal!
First number 24 to Salim. Salim.
And from Palpal! Nice shot by Salil. Lobing Barako. Sabi ni Ashraf.
Number 11, Red Kakaya. First personal foul.
Piyat number 0. Bonus free throw coming up. Lamang na po ng 4 ang team po Alforno.
Shot by Salim.
Two shot made. Project.
Sige. Susunod ko na. Susunod ko na.
Traveling Belason. Traveling Belason coach. 5 minutes 34 remaining. Pag-ship. Protect. Foul! Reaching foul called.
Jersey number 78, Taki Mogi. Second personal foul, second team foul, Alfonso.
Alforno. Padayaw. Pagsit again. Pagsit. Padayaw.
10 to shoot.
Long tunog. Ayaw niya. Intercepted. Gratil. Pagsit. Tugpratil again. Wala ba? White ball. Yun lang. Palpal. Tapos. Wala pa rin. Lost the ball. Again, dot attack. 2-on-2. Akshay. Nako, number 4. Bang! 3 points. And timeout na called by Katosa. 4 minutes, 1 remaining. The score is 63-69. Laman po ng 6 ang Alforno Italian Masters. Italian Masters na laman po ng 6 over the Sublimation Apparel Masters naman po. Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi. May Wi-Fi na kasi. May Wi-Fi. Ah, pagkain ako ba? Gratil! No good! Patayaw! Wala pa rin! Ricky nagmamadali. Ricky. Niat for 3. Bang! Nope! Ayun! 2 points. 2 points. Dante. Ipasok na sila kay Jim Antonio. Padayaw. Padayaw against number 0. Padayaw. 2 points, Padayaw. 3 minutes remaining. Fourth quarter action. Nako ng pick. Ricky. Ayun sa ilalim. No good. Sayang. Gatil. Number 0. Driving. To Dante. Kick out na to Akshay. Number 4. Layo magsa. Pops up. No good. Number 4 again. Akshay. Number 0 for 3. Nope. Good goal. Intercepted. Magsasaman. Number 2 sa Palpal. Welcome to the block party of the game. It's not shooting, but it's block party. Palpal na foul. Take 2. Number 7 they called for the foul. Suleiman shooting for 2.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 3 seconds.
2 minutes and 3 seconds remaining. Suleiman, number 31, shooting for 2. First shot. It's out. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Maraming salamat po sa 46 million viewers po natin right now sa gabi ito. Nag-pick po tayo almost 50 kanina. Yes, sir. Oh, tao na. They're now shooting now man to man. Last 2 minutes. Balik sa Roca, Carbonel, Sabado at Alvis Antonio. Sabi ni Enigma. Palpal. 2 points. Padayaw. Gratil. Umatake. Si Gratil. 2 points na yan. 2 points na yan, Gratil. A minute and 29 remaining. Akin yung yung mga picture kanina. Teka, paano mo tayo? Dante. Ay, suwapay si Kumar. Gratil, 94, naipit. Turn around, palpal pa rin. Intercepted. Number 88, nakuha. Foot race, foul called.
Wow, this is number 18.
Teka, kaya nyo balik sa akin mga picture kanina.
This is the time. Running for
Yung PowerPoint.
Remaining time 81 seconds.
Sige, wala kasi mga sponsor eh. Timeout called by USSW. Welcome to the block party of the game. Puro lang sila block. Wag na. Next week na lang tayo babawi.
Yun yung design natin yung nilaro
Okay, 51 seconds remaining. The score is 68-75. Lamang po ng 7 ang Alforno Italian Masters over Qatar Sublimation Apparel Masters. 51 seconds, kaya pa yan. Ilang 3 points and some stops. It can still be have a fix. Or else, Alforno will have now game number 1. First win sa kanila. First win sa kanila. Pambira, sana naman ako ni Melvin itong mga ano. Sana naman ako ni Melvin itong mga to. Okay, back to the ball game. Muli po tayo. Back to the ball game. 51 seconds remaining.
Ano lang muna. Sinend ko po sa inyo. Ito yung ano.
14 seconds left.
Okay. Siya ako na bahala dyan. Ayun na. Ricky. Foul. Foul kagad. They're gonna for the penalty kagad.
Foul is number 94, Rudy Garcia.
Penalty situation. Qatar Sublimation Sportswear. Ricky shooting for 2. Saan yung pinadala? Dito?
Brazil, 1-4 foul.
Wala yata dito. Wala nga. Nasa sa mobile. Wala yun.
First throw by Odessa.
Second throw, jumpers ready. Lamang ng 8. Ricky, pops up. It's in.
Second throw, basket.
Basket made, 50 seconds remaining.
Brazil,
Taktil. Okay, safety basket. Okay, safety basket now. Safety basket na po tayo. 34 seconds remaining. Number 0 shooting for 2. Pops up. It's out. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Second shot, jumpers ready. It's out. Patayaw, rebound.
30 seconds.
Rote. JP. Nope. Rebound, Padayaw. Padayaw. Rote, labas mo muna, sabi niya. JP. 2 points, JP. 2 points. Dance, 2 points. And that's it. Congratulations for winning the first game. Alforno Italian Masters takes win number 1. Thank you very much, friends. Time for the next game po tayo between Onyx and, of course, Tipco Kicks. Maraming salamat sa lahat po and God bless po sa ating lahat. Thank you very much.